Shenyang Jiezhida. Modern Office Furniture was established in 2004. It is a company specializing in the research, development, sales, and service of office furniture, hostel furniture, beds, tool cabinets, shelves, desks, chairs. We are located in Shenyang City. We absorb advanced technology on the basis of research and development. We are committed to strict quality control and considerate customer service. Our experienced staffs have been waiting for you to meet your requirements and ensure customer satisfaction. High, medium, and low-end products, competitive market prices can meet the needs of different customers. Professional service removes customers from worries. Professional production technology and new processing equipment can meet the needs of bulk orders. Introducing CAD and 3D SMAX drawing system to track trends, design, and develop fashionable and high-qualified furniture. Cushionali processing of personalized special-shaped products fully reflects the company's design and production capabilities, which make us stand out in the fierce market economy. In addition, we have also obtained FSC BSCI, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 9001 certification. Our products sell well in all cities and provinces throughout China, and are also exported to customers from all over the world. Whether you choose the current product from our catalog or count to buys for you, we are so happy to cooperate with you and finally bring you the satisfactory product.